When installing outdoor security lights near an industrial propane tank, adherence to safety regulations is paramount. The minimum distance between the light fixture and the propane tank should be at least 10 feet, which is approximately 3 meters. This distance is crucial to prevent any potential ignition sources from being located too close to the tank, mitigating the risk of fire or explosion. The height of the security lights is also a critical factor. The light should be mounted at least 6 feet, or about 1.8 meters, above the top of the propane tank. This vertical separation further reduces the likelihood of heat or sparks from the light fixture affecting the tank or its fittings. Maintaining these minimum distances and heights is essential for ensuring the safety of the installation and preventing accidents. It is important to note that these are minimum requirements, and in certain situations, such as areas with high winds or other potential hazards, greater distances may be necessary. Always consult local codes and regulations for specific requirements in your area. Proper planning and installation can help prevent costly and dangerous accidents. The placement of security lights must account for the potential hazards associated with propane tanks. The propane tank itself is a vessel that contains a highly flammable substance, and any ignition source in close proximity poses a risk. Security lights, while intended to enhance safety and security, can inadvertently become an ignition source if not properly installed. The electrical components within the light fixture, such as switches, ballasts, and wiring, can generate heat and sparks. If these sparks come into contact with propane vapors, they can ignite a fire or cause an explosion. Therefore, maintaining a safe distance between the light fixture and the propane tank is essential. The 10-foot distance requirement is based on industry best practices and regulatory standards designed to minimize this risk. The height requirement of 6 feet above the top of the tank serves a similar purpose. Propane vapors are heavier than air, which means they tend to accumulate near the ground. By elevating the light fixture to a height of 6 feet above the tank, you reduce the chance of propane vapors reaching the fixture and being ignited. This vertical separation provides an additional layer of safety. When installing security lights near a propane tank, it is also important to consider the type of light fixture being used. Some types of light fixtures are more prone to generating heat and sparks than others. For example, incandescent lights tend to produce more heat than LED lights. LED lights are generally considered a safer option for use near propane tanks because they operate at lower temperatures and do not have filaments that can break and create sparks. Additionally, it is important to ensure that the light fixture is properly sealed and rated for outdoor use. This will protect the electrical components from moisture and other environmental factors that could increase the risk of a short circuit or other electrical malfunction. The wiring and electrical connections for the security light should also be properly installed and maintained. All wiring should be properly insulated and protected from damage. Any exposed wires or loose connections can create a fire hazard. Regular inspections of the wiring and electrical connections can help identify and correct any potential problems before they become serious. In addition to the distance and height requirements, it is also important to consider the direction in which the security lights are pointed. The light should be directed away from the propane tank to prevent glare and to minimize the amount of light that shines directly on the tank. This will help to reduce the risk of the tank overheating or being damaged by exposure to excessive light. It is also important to ensure that the lights do not obstruct access to the propane tank or interfere with any safety equipment, such as fire extinguishers or emergency shut-off valves. The area around the propane tank should be kept clear of any obstructions that could impede access in the event of an emergency. Furthermore, make sure that the lighting installation complies with all applicable codes and regulations. These codes and regulations are designed to ensure the safety of propane tank installations and to prevent accidents. Consult with a qualified electrician or propane technician to ensure that the security lights are installed in accordance with all applicable requirements. When choosing security lights for use near a propane tank, consider fixtures that are specifically designed for hazardous locations. These fixtures are constructed to prevent sparks or other ignition sources from escaping and igniting flammable vapors. They are typically sealed and made of durable materials that can withstand harsh environmental conditions. Hazardous location light fixtures are available in a variety of styles and sizes to meet different lighting needs. They are commonly used in industrial settings where flammable materials are present, such as chemical plants, refineries, and propane storage facilities. When selecting a hazardous location light fixture, be sure to choose one that is appropriate for the specific environment in which it will be used. The fixture should be rated for the type of hazard that is present, such as flammable gases, vapors, or dusts. It should also be able to withstand the temperature and humidity conditions of the location. In addition to the type of light fixture used, the wiring and electrical connections must also be suitable for hazardous locations. The wiring should be enclosed in conduit, and all connections should be made using explosion-proof fittings. This will prevent sparks from escaping the electrical system and igniting flammable vapors. Regular maintenance and inspections are essential for ensuring the continued safety of security lights near propane tanks. The light fixture should be inspected regularly for any signs of damage or wear. Any damaged or worn components should be replaced immediately. The wiring and electrical connections should also be inspected regularly for any signs of corrosion or loose connections. Any problems should be corrected promptly. In addition to visual inspections, it is also important to perform periodic electrical testing of the security lights. This testing can help identify any hidden problems that may not be visible to the naked eye. Electrical testing should be performed by a qualified electrician. It is also essential to have a written safety plan in place for the propane tank installation. This plan should outline the procedures for operating and maintaining the propane tank safely. It should also include emergency procedures in the event of a fire, explosion, or other accident. All employees who work near the propane tank should be trained on the safety plan and should know how to respond in an emergency. The safety plan should be reviewed and updated regularly to ensure that it is current and effective. In addition to the safety plan, it is also important to have adequate fire protection equipment in place. This equipment should include fire extinguishers, fire hoses, and other firefighting tools. The fire protection equipment should be located near the propane tank and should be readily accessible in the event of a fire. All employees who work near the propane tank should be trained on how to use the fire protection equipment. The fire protection equipment should be inspected and maintained regularly to ensure that it is in good working order. Furthermore, it is always recommended to consult with local fire department officials to determine any additional fire safety requirements for the propane tank installation. The fire department can provide valuable guidance on fire prevention and suppression measures. They can also help to develop an emergency response plan in the event of a fire or other incident. By following these safety guidelines, you can help to ensure that security lights near propane tanks are installed and operated safely. This will protect people and property from the hazards associated with propane and will help to prevent accidents. Firstly, ensure the area is well ventilated to prevent accumulation of propane gas. Secondly, regularly inspect the tank and surrounding area for leaks or damage. Thirdly, install gas detectors to provide early warning of any gas leaks. Fourthly, clearly mark the location of the propane tank with warning signs. Fifthly, keep the area around the tank free from combustible materials. Sixthly, ensure that the tank is properly grounded to prevent static electricity build-up. Seventhly, implement strict no-smoking policies in the vicinity of the tank. Eighthly, provide training to personnel on propane safety and emergency procedures. Ninthly, maintain fire suppression equipment in close proximity to the tank. Tenthly, periodically review and update safety protocols to adapt to changing conditions. The specific requirements for the minimum distance and height of security lights near a propane tank may vary depending on local codes and regulations. Always consult with local authorities and qualified professionals to ensure compliance with all applicable requirements. This will help to ensure the safety of the installation and to prevent accidents. Proper planning and installation are essential for ensuring the safe and reliable operation of propane tanks. When choosing an electrician or technician to install security lights near a propane tank, it is important to select someone who is qualified and experienced. The electrician or technician should be licensed and insured and should have a thorough understanding of propane safety regulations. They should also be able to provide references from past clients. It is also a good idea to get multiple bids from different contractors before making a decision. This will allow you to compare prices and services and to choose the contractor who best meets your needs. Be sure to ask the contractors about their experience with installing security lights near propane tanks and to inquire about the safety procedures. You should also ask them to provide a written estimate of the cost of the project. Once you have selected a contractor, be sure to sign a contract that outlines the scope of work, the payment terms, and the schedule for the project. The contract should also include a warranty for the work that is performed. Before the work begins, meet with the contractor to discuss the project in detail. Be sure to point out a location of the propane tank and to discuss any specific safety concerns that you may have. It is also a good idea to review the propane safety regulations with the contractor. During the project, monitor the contractor's work to ensure that it is being performed safely and in accordance with the contract. If you have any concerns, be sure to raise them with the contractor immediately. Once the project is complete, inspect the work to ensure that it meets your expectations. If you are satisfied with the work, sign off on the project and make the final payment. Be sure to keep a copy of the contract and all other documentation related to the project for your records.